Welcome, my beloved students of the world, for the first international online and YouTube university, Academia Hargeisa Universalis, located in Masalaha, on the outskirts of Hargeisa, the capital city of Somaliland. I'm Basavati, and I'm your chancellor for the university, who's also a lecturer for the University of Oscillation. Oscillation is a relative, periodic, or back and forth motion of an object around the central equilibrium point. This lecture provides students to watch and learn their credentials while studying at home on laptops, smartphones, smart TVs, computers, and tablets. For more information on the university, follow my YouTube channel. So click the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and write down your comments below about you and your progress. Enjoy your lecture about oscillation. Oscillation is a relative or periodic variation, typically in time, of some measure about the central value of an equilibrium, or between two or more different states. For many examples of oscillation between continuum and its own current, oscillation can be used in physics to accommodate composite interactions between atoms. Oscillations occur not only in mechanical systems, but also in dynamic systems in virtually every area of science. For example, the beating of a human heart for circulation, business cycles in economics, predatory anxiety inequality, genesis and vibrator strings in guitar, and find themselves in the brain, and the periodic swirl of specific stars in astronomy. The term vibration is presently used to describe a mechanical oscillation. Oscillation, relation, we assign a phenomenon in precise control and control theory, where the aim to converge into a stable state, and in these cases, it called chattering or flapping, as in fact, and